This is the Rubik's Cube. It looks like 27 cubes stacked in a 3x3 array. They're colored white, orange, blue, red, green, and yellow. If you look carefully, you'll notice that there are 6 center cubes, or cubies. One's here. There are, let's see, 12 edge cubies with 2 colors here. And there are 8 corner cubies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 3 colors on them. The clever thing about this cube is that it twists. Look at that. All the edges, all the faces twist. Look at that. And this one too. They all twist. Everything twists. And in very short order, the cube is completely, or looks like it's completely scrambled up. The colors do not match at all anymore. So, you could just reverse all those twists if you remembered what they were. I don't. So the challenge is to restore the cube to the state where all the colors are the same on each face.